What's the latest news on Kaspa and what's next for Kas? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around Kas. Kaspa in recent days is in one of its most critical and interesting phases of development. On one hand, the project is showing strong technological progress and preparing for a major upgrade, while on the other, new concerns about long-term security have emerged that could affect how the network is perceived in the future. The most significant development is the discussion around a potential vulnerability in the mu hash mechanism and UTXO commitments, highlighted by a former developer describing a theoretical scenario where, with the advancement of quantum computing, it might become possible to forge the network state and rewrite transaction history, which directly impacts the core trust model of the blockchain. It is important to note that this is not an immediate threat, but rather a long-term architectural concern that could require protocol adjustments and may raise caution among institutional investors. At the same time, a strong positive driver is the upcoming Takata upgrade, which has now entered the code freeze stage, indicating readiness for a planned launch in June. This upgrade is expected to significantly expand Kaspa's capabilities by introducing programmability through covenants and the Silverscript language, enabling token creation and more advanced transaction logic, as well as integrating zero-knowledge functionality directly on Layer 1, opening the door for privacy features and further scalability, effectively shifting Kaspa from a high-speed payment network toward a more complete ecosystem capable of supporting decentralized applications. In terms of market behavior, the price remains relatively stable in the range of approximately $0.033 to $0.035, forming a typical compression pattern where volatility decreases before a potential strong move, with clear support and resistance levels defining the current structure and the next direction, likely depending on both broader market conditions and upcoming news related to the upgrade. Community sentiment remains largely optimistic, with many participants viewing recent price dips as accumulation opportunities, which is common during pre-expansion phases, especially when a major fundamental catalyst is approaching. Meanwhile, ongoing development continues with node updates, performance improvements, and new tools for developers, signaling that the ecosystem is actively preparing for growth. Overall, Kaspa currently presents a mixed but compelling picture. Its fundamentals are strengthening and its capabilities are expanding, while at the same time, deeper structural risks have been brought to light, making this a pivotal moment where future performance will largely depend on the successful rollout of the upgrade and the market's reaction to both its innovations and its long-term challenges. Also, Kaspa remains a high-risk but promising altcoin thanks to its blockdag technology, fast transaction confirmations, and strong community support. After a deep correction from previous highs, Kas now looks undervalued if the crypto market stays bullish. My 2026 outlook: if Bitcoin continues rising, Kaspa could recover into the 0.06 to 0.09 range. In a strong alt season, a breakout towards 0.12 plus is possible. If market sentiment weakens, a drop to 0.025 remains realistic. Key drivers: exchange listings, ecosystem growth, and overall crypto momentum. Do you think Kas will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on Kas in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post